Revision, still on our November 2022 Chrp 09, Human Resource Development. Number 4, it says, evaluate the conditions for effective employees development in an organization. So what are some of the conditions that will be effective for employee development to happen within an organization? Number 1, communicate often. Always communicate so that your employees could be aware of what is going on, and so that your employee could be aware of what is expected out of them, and what is really happening within the organization. By doing so, at least you'll be giving them a bloom light in terms of understanding what is happening and what is about to happen, and how can they prepare, or what is the way forward for them. So always communicate. That way we'll be making the process of employee development effective. They'll know what is expected at what time, and so that they can prepare themselves. And then remove any barrier that could be there, any barrier that could prevent them from developing themselves within the company. Ensure to remove it. Like an example of a barrier they've used here is rigid organizational structures. Organizational structures that are not flexible, that could be a very big barrier to employee development. So such things or such stuff within the organization, eliminate them or remove them. So that is also another way of ensuring employee development to be effective. Number 3, enable professional development opportunities. Yes, make them available, make them possible towards the employees, so that they can know, they can have a way to develop themselves when need be, when they feel they're ready, when they feel it's necessary. They'll always be exposed to such opportunities. So enable professional development opportunities, make them possible within the organization, so that employees could feel free to develop themselves when need be. And then number 4, be a role model for your employees. Yes, it will start with you, the manager, the supervisor, the senior in the company, and then the employee. For everything to run smoothly, be a role model towards the employees. That can also make the process of employee development to be effective. Motivate them in one or the other, engage them where possible, welcome ideas from them. By doing so, you are simplifying everything and making all things to work effectively within the organization. And then also have clear career progression guidelines within the organization. Have goals. Why do people need to go for development? At least let people understand development programs as far as the organization is concerned. Ensure that everything is put in place. Every employee is fully aware of what kind of development programs that are there, what time are they taking place, and so on and so forth, so that they can have full information and make the decision where necessary. So those are some of the conditions that can make effective employee development within an organization. And then question 4B, artificial intelligence is a popular concept in human resource management profession. Examine the role it has played in the growth of the profession. AI, artificial intelligence, this is something that we see across the different areas of studies. And here we want to study it in connection to human resource. And we say the artificial intelligence is basically the programming of machines to do what could be done by the human beings. So it's like trying to transfer the intelligence of human into machines, so that machines could do it better, because a machine is accurate. A machine is something that once it's set and once it's programmed well, then everything is done well, efficient, and very accurate within less time. So how is this intelligence enabling growth of human resource? Number 1, it has increased efficiency and productivity. Yes, because remember, we've said it is accurate, it saves time, and basically does things without wastage. So because of that, you might get to see that most of the operations, most of the activities within HR are really improving as a result of AI. And if they're improving, that means performance and productivity will always be on another level as a result of using artificial intelligence in human resource. Number 2, artificial intelligence has enabled automating time-consuming administrative tasks, especially now we are talking about HR. So automating of HR time-consuming administrative tasks, something like that. So it has enabled operations to be done in a very quicker way, in a very speedy way, and because of that save a lot of time for the people in the HR department or organization, and as a result people will have enough time to concentrate on their core and major activities. Also through AI, better decisions are being made, because remember, machines can handle information very well. Even if the information is a lot, they can be able to handle information very well compared to human beings. So through AI, you can be able to reach at better decisions, because they are able to handle a lot of information conveniently, efficiently, and effectively, and rely on that information to make better decisions. So that is possible through AI. AI has also enabled streamlined recruitment. The recruitment process is very overwhelming and tiresome. Remember, it's something that can be prolonged, especially if the applicants are so many. Doing it manually could take you a whole lot of time, energy, and effort. But if you have machines which have been programmed to do it, basically, we can have a very smooth process of recruitment. We free from errors and save a lot of your time, save a lot of your energy and effort. And that can be possible through artificial intelligence. So streamlined recruitment. And lastly, we have employee engagement and satisfaction. Employee engagement and satisfaction is also another role that artificial intelligence is bringing on board in HR. Like here they are saying, employee engagement and satisfaction are essential for organizations to achieve their goals and retain top talent. HR professionals have been using various methods for incentives to performance reviews to improve employee engagement and satisfaction. However, artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful tool to increase engagement and satisfaction, because this is a machine that has just been programmed that way. Employees are willing and ready to get whatever they want from such platforms, from such softwares and systems. They get they get their answers there. They input their queries. They get their answers there that they need in order for them to do their operations very well. They are able to get the satisfaction that they need from their job as a result of initiating AI in HR professionals. So it has brought so many advantages and so many benefits. These are just but a few that we've just discussed, and that is our question number 4. Thank you. Let's meet in our next question.